In January 2026, Tesla's own CEO admitted 0 of his Optimus robots were doing useful work in his own factories. That's the truth about Optimus that most channels skip over. Here's why this matters, even if you don't own Tesla stock and don't care about robots. This is the biggest company on Earth betting its future on a machine that walks like a person. If it works, it changes factory jobs, home labor, even how you shop. If it doesn't, it's one of the most expensive misses in corporate history. Either way, it affects the price of everything these robots eventually touch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Optimus V3 can actually do right now, what's still just a promise, and the one number Tesla has quietly stopped mentioning. What if the reveal you've already seen online wasn't the real one? I pulled this from Tesla's own earnings calls, filings, and reporting from Electrek, Trading Key, and industry trackers, not press releases.
Let's get the facts straight first. In October 2025, Musk told investors Optimus V3, the full production robot, would be unveiled around the first quarter of 2026. That date slipped. On the January 2026 earnings call, Musk pushed it to a few months out and admitted no Optimus robots were doing useful factory work yet. In February, Tesla showed off upgraded robot hands on social media, 22 points of movement, up from 11, with 50 motors between both hands. In March, a robot appeared at a trade show in Shanghai. Tesla's own staff on site said this wasn't the real V3. It was last year's body with the new hands attached. In April, on the Q1 earnings call, Musk set a new target, production starting late July or August 2026 at the Fremont factory in California. And on the most recent earnings call, in July, Tesla set no new reveal date at all. Production is now described only as later this year. That's the pattern. Not one delay, 5.
So why should you care about a robot you can't buy? Because of what's happening at the factory this robot is being built in. Tesla's Model S and Model X, cars it had built for over a decade, stopped rolling off that same production line in May 2026. Combined, those two cars sold over 610,000 units across their run. But by the end, sales had shrunk to around 30,000 a year, a fraction of what the factory could actually build. Tesla didn't shut that line down because the cars were failing. It shut it down to make room for robots. That's the real stakes here. This isn't a side project. Tesla converted a working car factory, one that took 14 years to build up, into a bet on humanoid robots. Would you convert your best performing product line for something that doesn't exist yet? Musk has said publicly that he thinks Optimus could eventually be worth more than the rest of Tesla combined. Cars, batteries, energy, everything. But here's where it gets strange. The same executive making that claim is also the one who keeps missing his own deadlines for it.
This is the part most coverage skips, and it's the most important part. If you've seen a photo or video online captioned Optimus Gen 3 or Optimus V3 revealed, it's very likely not accurate. The robot shown at that March 2026 trade show in Shanghai used an older robot body. Tesla's own China team clarified this on site. The only genuinely new part shown was the hands. The full, real V3 body, the one Tesla says is actually designed for mass production, has never been shown publicly. Not once. Not as of this recording. And this is the part nobody mentions. Musk has explained exactly why. On the April earnings call, he said Tesla is deliberately holding the design back because competitors study Tesla's robots frame by frame and copy the design. So the plan is to reveal it as close to production as possible, to shrink the window competitors have to react. That's a real business reason. But it also means every spec sheet you've seen online, 37 joints, a walking speed of 1.2 meters per second, balance on 15-degree slopes, is based on leaks and analyst estimates, not an official Tesla reveal. There's also a numbers problem. In January 2025, Musk predicted roughly 10,000 Optimus robots would be built that year. Tesla missed that target completely. Now the target for 2026 has shifted to a range some analysts estimate at 50,000 to 100,000 units. But Tesla itself, on its most recent call, declined to give
any specific production number for 2026?
So strip away the hype. Here's what's actually confirmed as of mid-2026. Confirmed, Tesla has built and shown working robot hands with 22 points of movement, a real meaningful upgrade over the previous version. Confirmed, Tesla converted its Fremont factory floor, previously used for Model S and X, into space for robot production. Confirmed, Tesla's newest processing chip, built for faster on-robot decision-making, finished its first manufacturing run in April 2026, and Optimus is getting it before Tesla's cars do. Not confirmed, a full public reveal of the V3 body. Not confirmed, an official price. Musk has floated $20,000 to $30,000 as a long-term goal, but there's no order page, no confirmed pre-order, and anyone charging you a deposit right now is not dealing with Tesla. Not confirmed, a 2026 production number Tesla is willing to commit to publicly. Consumer sales, meaning you or I actually buying one, are targeted for the end of 2027 at the earliest, according to Musk's own stated goal. Independent industry analysts think 2028 or 2029 is more realistic, based on how every other Tesla product timeline has played out. Robotaxi, Cybertruck, and full self-driving all shipped later than promised.
So here's the number I promised you. As of the most recent earnings call, July 22nd, 2026, the number of Optimus V3 robots in actual production, running on that converted factory line, is 0. Not slow, not limited. 0. Tesla itself says production is only anticipated later this year, and Musk described the ramp-up as, in his own words, quite flat and long. That's the truth about Optimus V3 in one number. Every reveal you've seen online happened before the actual reveal. Now, none of this means humanoid robots are fake or pointless. It means the timeline everyone's selling you is way out ahead of what's actually shipping. And that raises a more useful question than when does Optimus launch? The better question is which robots are actually working in real homes today, not in 2027, not in a keynote, but right now. I went and ranked exactly that, robot by robot, in the video linked right here. If you want the honest version of robot and AI news, not the hype version, that's what this channel does every week. I track every Optimus milestone, every delay, and every real product against what the company actually claims. Subscribe if you'd rather know what's real than what's trending.